Quitting smoking is a significant accomplishment, but it's not uncommon for people to experience weight gain after they've put down the cigarettes. On average, individuals can gain 5 to 10 pounds in the months following their smoking cessation journey. In this video, we'll explore why this happens and share some practical steps you can take to manage your weight after quitting. Segment 1. Understanding the weight gain. Why do people tend to gain weight after quitting smoking? Let's break it down. Firstly, smoking increases your metabolism. Nicotine boosts the number of calories your body burns at rest by about 7% to 15%. Without cigarettes, your body might process food more slowly. Secondly, smoking tends to reduce your appetite. So, when you quit smoking, you might find yourself feeling hungrier than usual. Lastly, smoking can become a habit, and many people crave high-calorie foods to replace the act of smoking. Segment 2. Strategies to maintain weight. Don't let the fear of weight gain deter you from quitting. There are several things you can do to keep your weight under control. 1. Get active. Physical activity helps you burn calories and can also help curb cravings for unhealthy foods. If you already exercise, consider increasing your workout intensity or frequency to compensate for the calories nicotine used to burn. 2. Shop smart. Plan your grocery list in advance, focusing on healthy options like fruits, vegetables, and low-fat yogurt. Keep finger foods on hand to satisfy cravings healthily. 3. Chew sugar-free gum. Keep your mouth busy without adding extra calories or exposing your teeth to sugar. 4. Establish healthy eating habits. Create a meal plan ahead of time to combat cravings. Knowing that a nutritious dinner is on the horizon can make it easier to resist less healthy options. 5. Avoid extreme hunger. A little hunger can be a good thing, but extreme hunger can lead to making unhealthy food choices. Learn to eat foods that keep you feeling full. 6. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can increase the risk of weight gain, so ensure you're well rested. 7. Control your beverage intake. Alcohol, sugary sodas, and sweetened juices can contribute to weight gain. Opt for alternatives like sparkling water with a splash of 100% fruit juice or herbal tea. Segment 4. Seeking professional help. If you've tried to quit smoking and experienced weight gain that you can't manage on your own, it may be time to consider professional help. Nicotine replacement therapies, such as patches, gum, nasal spray, or inhalers, can provide small, controlled doses of nicotine throughout the day, making the transition from smoking to a smoke-free life more manageable. For those struggling to lose weight post-quitting, healthcare providers can recommend organized programs with a track record of helping individuals achieve healthy and lasting weight loss. Remember, quitting smoking is a significant step towards a healthier, smoke-free life. Don't let the fear of weight gain hold you back. Congratulations on your journey.